Hi, I'm back. Today is Friday, and I want to show you how tidy our refrigerator today. My niece fixed all the stuff inside, and here we go. I'll show you how tidy and how clean our fridge is. That's our fridge. Nanette cleaned it. Here you go. See, they are placed on where are they supposed to be. Oh, ayan, oh. Ayan na yung inano niya. Ayan yung napanalunan kong 2 hams. And Rach will get the other one probably tomorrow. And then I'm gonna glaze the other one for our Christmas. See how tidy it is? See? They are in place. See, this is our vegetable. These are vegetables, different ones. And this is where we place. We have cheese, we have juices, raisins, bread. So it's all clean. And here's the door stuff. See, we have all those sauces, syrups, tomato sauce, our milk, oyster sauce, all of these milk, white wine, and we still have this one. This is actually, we bought this in the Philippines. It's liqueur, ube flavor. Diba? Here are those. See how tidy. Very clean. And this is our freezer at the bottom. It's the freezer. We haven't actually fixed this one, but to show you, we've got different ones here. We also have hopia, we have burgers, and this is where I place my onion leaves. We have the pastry puff. Okay, we have the fish, we have blueberries, we have all the berries, different kinds, and our meat and fish, another set of fish. We have chicken breast, we have pork ribs, everything in here. And then we have vanilla ice cream. That's the one. And then we're gonna clean and get rid of those other stuff from the freezer tomorrow. So far so good. It's Nanette who actually tidied up our fridge and clean it so we can put additional stuff inside. So our fridge has a door. That's a door. And then when you open it, that's the fridge. Okay, So, that's it today for now. And there are more videos coming. Don't forget Lynn Hernandez 926 at YouTube and Lynn Hernandez for my Facebook account. Okay. Bye for now. It's Lynn.